Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open first Abu Dhabi bank account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to open a first Abu Dhabi bank account, what you need to do is simply download the FAB mobile app from the Play Store or the App Store. So head over to the App Store, then on search bar type in first Abu Dhabi bank, then you'll get this icon on the search list. Simply tap on that. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the get button, then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, simply tap on open, and then you'll find an option that says open a new account. So simply then the next method is simply heading over and opening up the browser. Then on the search bar type in first Abu Dhabi login, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside here, you'll be seeing the login page of that first Abu Dhabi bank. In order to register, simply tap on register now on the button. Then here, what you need to do is enter in your customer identification number or credit debit card number. Simply enter it, then tap on I accept and TC. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts to successfully open a new account. Then you can also visit the FAB branch by simply visiting your nearest FAB branch with the documents. Tell the staff you want to open a new account and they will help you complete the process. Once your account is approved, you will receive your FAB debit card, account number, online and mobile banking access as well. And that's it. Your FAB account is ready for salary payments, transfer and online shopping. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. If this video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.